Properties of square numbers. In the first column numbers, second column square. So here 1, here 1. That means 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25. 6 six are 36. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 9 nines are 81. 10 tens are 100. Next 11 into 11. 11 elevens are 121. 12 twelves are 144. 13 13s are 169. 14 14s are 196. 15 15s are 225. 16 16s are 256. 17 17s are 289. 18 18s are 324. 19 19s are 361. 20 20s are 400. Now we will see. Now in the second column all these numbers are perfect square numbers. All these numbers are perfect square numbers. So here also perfect square numbers. Okay. Now square root of 1, opposite which here 1. Square root of 4, what you will get? 2. Square root of 9, what you will get? 3. Square root of 16, 4. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of 36, 6. Square root of 49, 7. Square root of 64, 8. Square root of 81, 9. Square root of 100, 10. Similarly this side, square root of 121, that is equal to 11. Okay, square root of 144, that is equal to 12. Square root of 169, that is equal to 13. Square root of 196, that is equal to 14. Square root of 225, that is equal to 15. Square root of 256, that is equal to 16. Square root of 289, that is equal to 17. Square root of 324, that is equal to 18. Square root of 361, that is equal to 19. Square root of 400, that is equal to 20. Okay. So in all that perfect square numbers, you have seen that end digit, that means unit digit numbers. In all these numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at units place. This is clear. Next point, none of these end with 2, 3, 7 or 8 at units place. In all that perfect square numbers, units place digits, all these numbers are not there. 2, 3, 7 or 8. Okay. Next point, square numbers end with digit 1. Square numbers end with digit 1. You see all these square numbers 1, 81, 121, 361, 441, 841, 961. In units place digit all ends with number 1. Okay. Then square root of 1 you will get 1. Square root of 81, that is 9. Square root of 121, that is equal to 11. Square root of 361, that is equal to 19. Square root of 441, that is equal to 21. Square root of 841, that is equal to 29. Square root of 961, that is equal to 31. Now if a number has 1 or 9, this you keep in your mind. If a number has 1 or 9, now you see in units place 1 9 1 9 1 9 1. If a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends in 1. Then its square ends in 1. Okay. So, in a number in units place 1 or 9 it is there means square of that number ends with 1. Next point, square numbers ending in 6. Square numbers ending in 6. You see square numbers here 16, 36, 196, 256. All these square numbers ending in 6. Square root of 16 you know that 4 or 4 square is 16. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 square is 36. Okay. So, square root of 496 is 14. Square root of 256 is 16. Okay. Now, when a square numbers ending in 6, okay, you may get the numbers end with 4 or 6. Numbers end with 4 or 6. When a square number ends in 6, the number whose square it is will have either or 6 in units place. The number in units place end with 4 or 6. Numbers and their squares. Now 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, 80 square is 6400. Now here 1 0 is here. Now RHS side you see 2 zeros. 2 zeros means even number of zeros. Even number of zeros. Now 20 square, first you should take 2 square 4. Here 1 0 is there, RHS side you should write 2 zeros. 20 square it become 400. 80 square, now you should take 8 8s are 64 first, then here 1 0, make it 2 zeros there. That means 6400. Now in all these you see even number of zeros. Even number of zeros. Next point, 100 square. Now here 2 zeros are here. 1 square, 1 into 1 it become 1. Here 2 zeros are here, you should make it 4 zeros. Now 200 square, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 zeros, you should write 4 zeros here. 700 square, 7 7s are 49. Then here 2 zeros, make it 4 zeros here. Then 900 square, 9 9s are 81. Here 2 zeros, this side you should make it 4 zeros. Now here you see 1 2 3 4. 4 means even number of zeros. Okay. Now here 2 means you will get 4 zeros that side. If 3 zeros are there, you will get that side 6 zeros and so on. So square number can have only even number of zeros at the end. Square number can have only even number of zeros at the end. Next point you see, square of an even number is even. Square of an even number is even. Square of an odd number is odd. Okay. So remaining part we will see in the next video.